Hey all, as you all completed your SAP S/4HANA module training, right? From the basics, you have gone through the advanced level and you have got to know about changes you have seen in S/4HANA sourcing and procurement, right? You all know about SAP well now in ECC 6.0, the module wise, but in S/4HANA, the changes you have experienced recently, and even that session can be given to you. You can refer it and you can learn out of the knowledge shared by us. Now from next week, I'm going to share project level experience to all. How exactly a implementation project will be taken care. I'll be sharing only greenfield implementation project only, not about brownfield implementation, because that requires different expertise level and need all the knowledge about how to load the data from a ECC to S/4HANA. So I'll be going to coach you all about S/4HANA sourcing and procurement module level, how much knowledge you should acquire to manage the implementation project. Right, during implementation time, what are the activity you follow, right? How you manage to handle the workshop. Initial stage, you are going to gather the business requirement and mapping accordingly as per the SAP best practices. You have to follow the steps and then identifying any gaps or that need to be developed by the developer, right? Then that all documentation knowledge you should gain, and also you should understand about the activate methodology. Like there are different steps to be followed, right? Discover, prepare, explore, then deploy and run, right? The different phases you should know well, and all the documentation, right? Creating a business workshop documentations, business blueprint documentation, then KDS, key data structure, then how to prepare functional unit testing document, FUT document, then configuration rationally, then what are the tools used during implementation time to upload all the information, then how to handle solution manager, SOL manager for the creation of transport requests and all, right? Or any tool, if you see in DevOps or Jira, BMC Remedy, ServiceNow, and even HPALM, there are multiple tools are used in the implementation project, right? That all knowledge you should have to execute the process. And also there are couple of scenarios you can learn out of the experience what I have in last 10 plus year of consulting, right? I have managed to handle couple of implementation project also. When I was in PwC, I managed to handle S/4HANA greenfield implementation project for UK based requirements clients. So maximum knowledge I'll be sharing on flexible workflow setup, then lean service procurement, then pricing procedure, right? There are a couple of development which I have managed to handle, but I cannot show all the development, but I can at least explain the scenario, how exactly you have to follow the system, how to copy the data. Like example, you're talking about condition table, access sequence or condition types, then how to modify entire your pricing procedure as per the business requirement, right? From the sourcing and procurement perspective, while creating purchase order, how exactly you can determine the pricing procedure and account determination activity. So like more we can work on scenario based experience sharing, which will be helping you all to take up implementation project quickly. If you are from a support project experience or just you manage to handle couple of incident handling and custom only for a customer you are working today, right? Custom solution only, but not much on the standard solution. You don't know sometime to manage the end-to-end project to handle, right? Independently you want to handle the project, then definitely you should have lots of understanding about each and every scenario wise. And even you want to learn about latest process like recently introduced process like drop shipping. Dropshipping is there in the sales and distribution side and all, but in SAP S/4HANA integration time, how you manage to handle such kind of a business scenarios. And also in subcontracting process, there are like a new product version released, right? You have to maintain that data in the system. Then how you can manage the bill of material on in that case, right? Exploring the same, right? We will explore more about new features released by SAP S/4HANA. And then we will be identifying the solution given by any customer any solution given, right? Recently by any industry specific. We will collect such data, information and knowledge, and that knowledge we will be sharing with you all. So it will be helping you to go and attend the interviews. And after attending interview and cracking interview also, you should manage after joining the next company, right? In the sense you are joining company where consulting firm is looking for implementation knowledge. You cannot search for such data instantly during that time, right? You have to learn and you have to experience and you have to get hands-on immediately. And also we will keep a ABAP support in between where you need some couple of knowledge on the coding side in S/4HANA ABAP side, right? how to handle the debugging particular program, and how to handle the different BAPI, BADI, user exit validation, all that, right? Rise of W object, like if you get some report interface conversion, form enhancement, workflow, all this area, if you get some requirement, how to handle such requirements instantly. Then even we are planning to onboard experts on IDOC configuration also, ALE, IDOC, EDA, all expertise level we have to manage to share with you, and also tax procedure, tax classifications, and any financial side you should know much on the material ledger activation process, and some more you should know about real time, how you should decide about the who is going to take care of split valuation end-to-end process, right? Or you can talk about batch management, serial management, process side. Like it's all about in real time what are the areas you should touch as an experienced SAP S/4HANA consultant, 2+, 3+, 5+, 8+, 10+ years of experience, right? Such level of experience I'll be going to share as much as possible, but the timing is only in the morning time. It's fixed time, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. I'm going to handle, because other time I got other schedules to be handled, right? Other kind of requirements I have to deliver. So only one slot available, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So try to join with this slot only. So I'll be talking, or maybe I'll be sharing maximum knowledge for 10 to 15 hours, max to max 15 hours I'll be sharing the knowledge with you all. So join such highly, I can give you a knowledge very detailed way. I cannot give assurance of, I can give you a job guarantee with this kind of a knowledge sharing, but if you follow properly all the process wise, and you keep a server, learning server, or hands on, if you do it in the system, right, and you crack 3 mock interviews which I'm going to conduct, if you clear it, right, definitely you'll be able to crack other companies' interview for sure. And even one thing I'll give you an assurance, where if you take all this experience properly, then after joining the company you will not find difficulties to handle the project implementation. Which company they are hiring you, right? They will manage the things very well. Like you can manage the things very well, so they also will not have any problem to hire you and deploy into particular projects. Okay, so yeah, you can just take this opportunity to know many things, and which will be helping you all to work on a implementation project or any project which you're going to lead in the future, right? This knowledge will be useful. Thank you. Have a great day.